Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my 5-inch mini garlands. This particular video is going to show you guys how to use the neck to neck method, and then I have a video coming up on the 260Q method as well. I personally size all my 5-inch balloons to 3 inches. That is the size that I feel looks the best. So what you're going to do is you're going to blow up 2 balloons and tie them together, making sure that you leave a lot of slack at the neck. So the neck should be really long and stretchy so that you won't have any trouble tying them together. And now you're going to blow up your second set of 2 balloons, and you're going to tie those together as well. And then you're going to pair them with the 2 balloons that you blew up earlier. So you're going to make a quad, as you can see here, and then you're going to just tie them in together, twisting it a couple times to make sure that it's nice and snug. This way your pairs will not pop out of the quads that you're going to be tying together in a minute. I typically use about 20 to 28 balloons, so that is the equivalent of 5 to 7 quads. But as for anything regarding balloons, it is up to your taste. So if you want to add more or if you want to add less, definitely feel free to do so. So now that you have all your quads blown up, you are going to lay it flat and then take the neck of the next quad and you're going to tie it to each other. You also want to make sure that you have necks on both sides of the quad so that you have a neck left to tie the other one on top of that. So you're just going to simply tie a knot into those 2 necks and lay them on top of each other. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look flat straight away, but I do feel like it helps with the structure and it helps with making it easy to add the other one on top. So you're just going to continue until you have a length that you desire. Again, I use about 5 to 7 quads, but when I'm setting up and I feel like I need more length, I'll just grab one of the loose quads that I have with me and add length if I need to. I'm gonna slow it down in a minute here so you can see the way that the necks are tied into each other, but that's basically it. You can then add it to your garland by using the necks or either a 260Q that is cut in half, and that's it. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys again, and until next time.